Here it's Thursday afternoon at Camp Papa Legba, and we're here with the lovely Mark. Say hello, Mark.
Hi.
And it took you forever to get here from Denmark, right?
Yeah, it took about 17 hours of flight and then about 7 hours of driving to get here.
Oh, look, there's the Bedrock Flintstone mobile going by. Modern Stone family. Anyway, there's 3 towers this year for Camp Papa?
No, it's actually 4 towers this year.
4 towers.
We have one here at 4G and 430 and G. And then we have one over at 630 and Rods Road. And then we have one at 915 and A. And then we have one that's supposed to be somewhere around 2 o'clock.
Wow. Anyway, here, Burner Roulette. You can call this number to make friends on the playa. Probably before the 5th of September when it's all over with.
Yeah. It's a sub-project that's being run our camp as well. That is kind of, you call in and then you get connected to a random person that's also called in. And then you can press the pound key and you get connected to somebody new.
Fabulous. Okay, and then this year they're running on the 1800 GSM band, the European GSM band.
Yeah, one of the reasons is because we got a hold of a lot of Nokia phones that we are giving away this year, and they only support the 900 and 1800 bands, which is in use in Europe. So we got a license for use of the 1800 band. That way that we are using our own SIM, we won't get into any problem with other providers as well.
Let's see the nice logo on the back.
Yeah.
There we are. It's the Camp Papa Legba Nokia GSM European band phone.
Yeah, with a built-in radio and flashlight so you can get safely back to camp.
Right. And that's... band is used by the U.S. military in the United States, but we have their permission for the burn.
Yep.
And it's an experimental license.
Yep.
With an X in the call letters.
Yeah, I can't remember what the number is this year. But yeah, we got a license from the FCC to set up an experimental GSM cell network, and we got a permission from the U.S. military to use their frequency.
Permission from the military to use their frequency,
yeah,
as opposed to some other frequencies owned by some other carriers.
Yeah.
and the Open BTS project is running asterisk for the switching.
Yes.
And this year it's not the USRP2 radio, but what radio?
We are using some radio made from Range Network.
Networks.
It's more purpose-built radio that has more specific to GSM.
Right. Here, I'll walk over here, and you don't have to walk. You can stay there, Mark, unless you want to go over there. But I just thought for all us nerds, over here, there's an ITX board running asterisk, and there's this Range Networks piece of... Last year, this was an ITX board running... Ubuntu, right?
Yeah, it's still running Ubuntu. It's got an ITX port inside, so there's you can connect into it here, and there's also a Ethernet connection. So we normally just SSH into it,
and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we'll end it there. Papa Legba 2011.
Yeah. Bye from Pat.